Hello everyone. I wanted to show you guys how you can actually add some social engagement to your various pages on your SharePoint site. So as you scroll down, most of the pages by default should have these different options at the bottom like, comments, views, save for later. So as a end user, you can just come over to one of these options here and go ahead and click on like. Oh, I like this page. This is great. So then you can go ahead and show that whoever's editing this page that you appreciate the content, or maybe you notice something on there that is incorrect, or maybe a suggestion. You can actually add a comment here. So please change this page to dark mode. Please do it. And then you go ahead and select on post. And now the admin or whoever's in charge of that page, or even other users, once they come here, they could see that, oh, this user liked this page. This must be a great page and the information's correct. Or maybe they come over here and this frequently asked questions is out of date. And then you see people in the comments like, this is no longer up to date. Please update it. So these are probably the main social engagement tools that you'll end up using on SharePoint.